Nice Era P, Era W. How to memorize an additional transmitter. Make sure the motor is powered. The first transmitter memorized is present and the limit switches have been programmed correctly. If the new transmitter is multi-channel, select the channel you want to associate with the motor. If the previously memorized transmitter is multi-channel, select the channel associated with the same motor. On the new transmitter, press and hold the stop key for at least 8 seconds, then release. On the previously memorized transmitter, press and hold the stop key for 1 second and release for 1 second. Repeat 3 times. On the new transmitter, press and hold the stop key and release to coincide exactly with the first movement of the motor. The motor will perform a total of 3 movements. The new transmitter has been associated correctly and can operate alongside the first transmitter. To verify that programming has been successful, briefly press the up arrow or down arrow key on the new transmitter and verify that it controls the motor correctly.